Let me share something with y'all about this coffee. You always see me talking about coffee. I'm working on some snares right now. That's what all this is. Yeah, this is dark roast community coffee right here. We do about 4 or 5 pots a day down here. Coffee community. Dark roast community, baby. That's a tradition here. I get up in the morning, I drink a pot of coffee. Man, everybody does here. You go visiting, the first thing they're gonna do, y'all want some coffee? Yeah, I just want to share that with you. You notice I got this thermos right here. That's dark roast community, baby. I pack it with me every chance I get. And it's let's see what time it is. I don't even know. Get your fingers out of that damn frame, kid.